Algebra 2 Cram, New York State Algebra 2 Regents, Common Core, Key Facts, Trigonometry, Degrees, Radians. Question 1. The odds of someone doing exactly what I tell them to do is pretty slim, but I guarantee you that if you cram with me, you'll become an Algebra 2 master. So inbox me at mTheMedicine@gmail.com for pricing and ordering instructions. And be sure to spread the word to your friends and classmates who also need to cram for Algebra 2, okay? They too can inbox me at mTheMedicine@gmail.com to order their cram package. Let's delve into the question together. Review question 1. What is 135 degrees expressed in radian measure? Is it 1, 135 pi, 2, pi over 135, 3, 3/4 pi, or 4, 4/3 pi? You decide. I'll give you a moment to think, and definitely press pause if you need to. All right, so hopefully by now you were able to arrive at an answer, and if you didn't, that's totally fine. Let's see how this is done. Well, in order to go from degrees to radians, you have to multiply by the conversion factor, pi over 180, okay? So our new expression then becomes 135 degrees, which we know was mentioned in the question stem, times our conversion factor of pi over 180 degrees, okay? That will then become 135 pi over 180 degrees, okay? So then this then simplifies to 3/4 pi. Therefore, the correct answer choice is going to be answer choice 3, 3/4 pi. Notice that we didn't need to actually evaluate pi, which is approximately has a numerical value of 3.14, but because our answer choices are not in decimal form, they still have the pi unevaluated, okay? All right, so thanks for tuning in.